Hey guys, this is another video from Mr. Mew Tech showing you today how to change a video thumbnail in Windows 10. Now I used different video players to see if there was a way that was easy to change that thumbnail image, and there was not really anything that I could find. However, this little piece of software here called Tag Editor is great and allows you to do just that. I'm going to show you today how we do that step by step. So to get this piece of software, it is open source and free, and you can go to github.com/martkiss/tag-editor/releases. I'm going to put a link for you in the description so you can go straight there and choose the right download link. Okay, so the download link that you want, because there's a lot of different ones here, is going to be this one right here called Tag Editor 3.3.8-x86. This is going to be the download you want for Windows 10. So I'll click on that and I'll download that now. Okay, and after you download that, you're going to want to move that to an easy place to unzip it. So I just move it straight to my desktop. I'm going to go ahead and close out this window now since we don't need it anymore. And I'm going to put it in a folder that I created here. As you can see, as an example, it has a file of a video here, and it also has an image. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this image here and convert that to the thumbnail that we see right here using this software. So the first thing you're going to want to do is unzip this. So I'm going to right click and use 7-zip, which is a file unzipping software here. And I'll just extract here. After you extract it, you're going to see something like this. This is an executable file which will open the program or utility so that you can change out the thumbnail. So let's go ahead and open that. Alright, once we open that, we're going to go ahead and select a file. So you're going to want to go to File and then Open, and then you're going to want to go to the location where you have that image or that as well as that video file, and you're going to select the video file. So I'm going to select this MP4 video here that you were just looking at a second ago. So we'll open that. And after we open that, we want to go ahead and change the image. So if you notice right here on the right side of this program, there's a section that says no image of the selected type attached. We're going to go ahead and add one. So I'll click add, and then I'll go ahead and choose the image that I want as the thumbnail. So in this case, we have this play button here. I'll go ahead and open that. It just wants you to confirm that this is indeed the image. I've named it something really simple. Click OK. And now you'll see a preview of that thumbnail. Now that you're done, all you have to do next is just click Save. And you should be able to look back over, and you'll notice right now that you don't see it changed. There's a little refresh button up here whenever you're looking inside of a folder in Windows 10. So go ahead and click on that refresh. There we go, and we had the change. One thing that I just noticed that I had to do this time was I had to actually close out this file that was open. So make sure that you click the close button here, and then you press the refresh. And what you're going to see now is the video that you had before with the new thumbnail image. So it pulled this and is now the new thumbnail here. You're also going to find another file here called BAK, and that means it's just simply a backup. That's before you made the changes to this particular media file. So you can delete that, or you can keep it if you think that later you might need it. I'm going to go ahead and delete this one. And now you can see that we're all done here. This is the video file that we saw originally here that had a different look to it. And now you can see that the thumbnail is using the play button that we have here. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe for more tech videos.